Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. Hope everyone is blessed. I am so blessed, and I think I'm so blessed. So I'm going to first read my scriptures for today. Let me try to get them together here. Just a second here. So, all right. This is the promise that He has promised us, even eternal life. 1 John 2:25. And then the other one, I will dwell in the midst of thee, saith the Lord. Zechariah 2:10. The Lord shall open unto thee his good treasures. Deuteronomy 28:12. These three scriptures I've come today, and I'm sure that there is someone that needs the scriptures word today. And if you do, I always go back in my next videos, and you will see them. And if it's hope it is here, I know there will be someone that needed this word for this day. So thank you all for reading for listening to this. And later on, when you go back to the videos, you will see these scriptures. And don't forget. And it said, one of the ones I would love for you all to remember. I will dwell in the midst of thee, saith the Lord. Zechariah 2:10. You always know the Lord is going to dwell within you all. So I just want you all to have that one second time around. So thank you for listening to the reading of the word. So today I'm getting ready to do vanilla ice cream, making homemade vanilla ice cream with 3 ingredients. So I'm starting now with I have the heavy cream. And it's
she's making a large amount, y'all. So she got 4 cups of heavy cream. And if you want to not make as much, you can do 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 can of condensed milk. 4 cups of heavy cream, and she finna do 2 cans of condensed milk.
Okay. So I'm pouring it in now. Okay, I'm going to whip this until it gets thick. And when it starts to get thick, I'll put the condensed milk in. And also my vanilla flavor. So let me put it around here so I'll have it together. Okay.
Okay, y'all. It's supposed to be like mounds. If you can get it just a little bit thicker, because this mixer is not doing right. But if you can get it a little big mix,
A little bit thicker.
Okay, y'all. This is supposed to be the thickness of it before you pour it in the condensed milk. What she's finna do right now. And my grandmother used to make this when we was little, and she called it she used to call it ice pudding. Had no idea it was ice cream. My grandmother Catherine used to always call it ice pudding. We used to go to her house, like, we finna get some ice pudding. Here all along it was ice cream. Yeah, so what we always call it ice pudding, because she used to make it when we was little growing up. There's ice pudding in the refrigerator. And lo and behold, it was ice cream. All I knew, it was some good stuff. It was good till the last drop. I know that. Okay, y'all, that's the second can right there she's pouring in. So that's 2 cans. 4 cups of heavy whipping cream and condensed. 2 cans of condensed milk. And she got the lychee, but we usually get the carnation
Eagle brand.
The Eagle brand milk condensed. Okay, y'all. So now she's finna mix that thick, and then after she mixed that thick, Then she'll be ready to put the heavy cream. I mean, Lord have mercy, what's wrong with me? I'm sleepy this morning. She'll be ready to put the
extract,
the pure vanilla extract in there. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. So now she's finna get ready to put 3 teaspoons of vanilla flavor in it. Okay, y'all. She's gonna put 3 teaspoons of
vanilla extract.
Vanilla extract. But if you want to make the smaller amount, you only use 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. And it, to me, y'all, it needs to be pure vanilla. I mean, you can use imitation, but I just think pure make it more better. And y'all, we seen this video, somebody do this video, and this one, when I saw it, I knew that was what my grandmother used to make. But like as I said, she used to call it ice pudding. I was like, oh wow, that's what Grandma Catherine used to make when we was growing up. And I even have the recipe on old sheet of paper. Very old. When I get it, I'm going to show it to y'all. In my recipe book. Okay, y'all, it's finished. So we finna get ready to put it in the containers. And one of the containers we're gonna make chocolate swirl vanilla ice cream. So hold on. Okay, everyone. She put some in this container right here, and then she got 2 paints. And these 2 paints we're gonna turn it to chocolate swirl.
And both of them, I'm put chocolate. Okay, this is just gonna be done with vanilla.
She's gonna take some chocolate swirl syrup, and she gonna swirl it around in there a little bit, and then she's gonna add some more ice cream on top of that.
Let me see.
Okay, y'all, she's gonna put some more ice cream in it.
Yeah.
She's gonna put a little bit more swirl on it, y'all.
Okay, that's it. Let me get that off the side.
Man. Okay, she's making 2 paints of chocolate swirl. Here's her second paint. Okay, y'all. And that's how we finna make the chocolate.
They didn't last night. And I
Okay, y'all. She's finna fill that one up. And we got 2 pints of the chocolate swirl. And the next time we'll make some more different flavors with the we was gonna do some Oreos and stuff, but I don't know what happened to the Oreos from last week. One of the great grandkids got her. So we'll be back. We're gonna let this freeze for about 6 hours, and we'll be back with the finish. Talk to you later.
Okay. Okay, you all. This is the final presentation of my vanilla ice cream and the vanilla swirl. This is the chocolate swirl, a vanilla swirl with the chocolate. Okay.
Chocolate swirl. Let's chocolate vanilla swirl, and this is it. And this is vanilla ice cream, y'all. And this is also the vanilla ice cream. You see, they done been in it.
Okay. And this is, can I tell you all guys, this is very, very good. It took about 4 or 5 hours for it to freeze up for me. Because and it's so hot today, so therefore it's to freeze real well. And the box is kind of full, but anyway, this is the way it looks, and it tastes delicious. And I tell you, it's out for the chain 1 to 10. And I mean 10, have it, plus up to 20. Up to 20 to 40, and 40 to 50, 60, 80, and 100. It's a 100%. It's very, very good. From Miss Lena's Kitchen, we are showing you the chocolate swirl and the vanilla with 3 ingredients. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. It is so delicious. You will not believe how good this is. And you ever taste it one time, you will continue to do it until you can. Okay, you will continue to eat it until the end. So thank you so much, and I appreciate it. God bless each and every one of y'all. Please make it, because it is so delicious. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye now from Miss Lena's Kitchen. 3 ingredients, ice cream, made, homemade.
And y'all try this recipe. It's off the chain.
You know,